ground point 6.
We'll be flying one of those here soon.
I like it.
November 0 Tango Whiskey, turn left heading 050, maintain 2000 on, deturn runway 15, clear for takeoff.
We're for Millionaire right here now.
Runway low level, remaining west at all times, no factor.
I got him inside clear for takeoff, 15, left turn 050, maintain 2000, 650 Tango Whiskey.
Number 95314, caution wait terminus, runway 15, line up and wait, and Cessna traffic on the downwind.
Line up and wait, November 95314.
Alright, she's yours. Alright, lights are up. Alright, we're good to go. Now line up and wait, but don't take off.
We get a handoff to Buzz.
Plane 7, roger. For now, remain outside Bravo while I coordinate.
Roger that, stay clear of the Bravo 557.
Cessna 314, runway 15, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 95314.
Till us 428, I'll call your base term momentarily.
Alright, here we go. Now we will turn out.
Tango Whiskey, have a great flight. Contact bridge departure 124.3.
143 Tango, great, thanks for having us.
Alright.
428, you can turn base.
And we will rotate at 60.
Thrust 276, runway 15, line up and wait, be ready to go. Cessna traffic, 2 mile left base.
And go for it.
Wait, runway
Up we go.
276.
That's it, you got it.
Thrust 428, you want to make sure turn base.
You got it.
We just made the turn, just for playing.
Great.
Thrust
Give us around 10 degrees, pitch up. There you go.
Cessna 750 to takeoff.
Thrust 428, traffic departing, taking the runway now. Piper Sport, runway 15, clear to land, wind 210 at 4.
Alright, and when we get to 1,000, go ahead and turn out to the left.
Okay.
45 close,
Pipeline 7, out of this turn, you can proceed west or southwest bound towards Love and contact Love Tower 123.7.
Alright, there we go.
Have a great flight.
Let's make the turn.
23 thanks for help, 557.
Whoa. Continue the climb. Just a little bit right rudder.
Traffic is departing now, running 15, clear to land, wind 200 at 6.
That's all right, you're doing great.
Remember 61 uniform, Cessna
Just
traffic
a
to
little bit over.
number 2.
Coming up to 090. Alright, now go ahead and level out. There you go, perfect. Well done. A little bit of right rudder, push her right in. There you go. 4 knot crosswind pushing us this way, but it's really no big deal.
Gotcha.
Continue the climb. That's it. Go ahead and pull the power. About 2,300. Perfect. Good job. And just hold it right here. And trim it out. And there you got it. Now, I'm going to help you out a little bit. Autopilot, heading mode, altitude hold. Alright? Autopilot is now flying, we're in heading mode. Okay. That's it. All you got to monitor is the power. The plane is going to keep it, we'll keep the wings low. Okay? And it'll be around us, so we're good. That's it. And we're going to get out over the lake, switch right over there, and we're going to go and have some fun. Okay?
Thrust 428, taxi to runway 1.6.